Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Red Shikshan Samstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen some examples based on some of the first n terms of geometric progression. Now today also we are going to study some examples based on some of the first n terms of a geometric progression. Now we see first example here. Find the sum to n terms. Example. Find the sum to n terms sum to n terms 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 plus so on. Now we have to find the sum of these terms. Now answer for this, consider sum of these infinite terms is equal to Sn. Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888 plus so on up to n terms. Okay. Now here we can take Sn 8 common. We take 8 common here. That is Sn equal to 8 into in bracket, here remains 1, here 11, here 111 plus 1111 plus so on. Okay. Now multiplying and dividing by n here. Multiply and divide by 9, not n, sorry, multiply and divide by 9, then we can write here Sn is equal to 8 upon 9, multiply by 9, then we get 9 into 1, 9 into 11, 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus so on up to n terms. Okay. Now we can write Sn is equal to 8 upon 9 into in bracket. Now 9 can be written as in the form 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Again this 99 can be written as in the form 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 plus 999 means 1000 minus 1 plus 9999 can be written as in the form 10,000 minus 1 plus so on up to n terms. Okay. Now this can be written as in the form again Sn equal to 8 by 9 into in bracket. Now take the terms 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 in first bracket. Okay. First terms of these brackets take in one bracket like this, in bracket 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 plus so on, bracket complete. Now here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 n times, we can take minus sign common here, minus into in bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times. Okay. that is SN is equal to 8 upon 9 into in bracket, in open bracket, 10 plus 100 means 10 square, 1000 means 10 cube, plus 10,000 means 10 raised to 4, plus so on n terms, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times means 1 into n equal to n. Okay. Now these terms 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 raised to 4 in first term, in first bracket, the terms in first bracket form a geometric progression whose first term is 10 and common ratio is also 10. Here, since the terms in first bracket form a GP, geometric progression, whose first term equal to A is equal to 10 and common ratio R is equal to 10 square upon 10 means again 10. R is equal to also 10. Therefore, we can use formula for Sn for this first bracket. Formula is Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Okay. Using this formula, we can write the value of this bracket and remaining term as it is, that is Sn is equal to 8 upon 9 into in square bracket, value of this bracket by using this formula, A means 10, 10 into R means again 10 raised to n minus 1 as it is upon R minus 1, 10 minus 1 minus this n as it is. Okay, that is Sn is equal to 8 by 9 into in square bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 means 9 minus n. That is, we get Sn is equal to 8 upon 9 into in bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. We can take this addition here. We write here Sn is equal to 8 upon 9, okay, into in bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n upon 9. That is, finally we can write here Sn is equal to 8 upon 9 into 9, 81 into in bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. This is the sum of the first n terms for the given sequences. Okay, Sn is equal to 8 upon 81 into in bracket 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9n. Now we see next example here. Find the sum to n terms again. The sum to n terms for 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus 0.444 plus so on. Okay. Now we have to find sum of this sequence. Answer. Consider Sn equal to 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 plus 0.4444 plus so on. Okay, now we can take 4 common here, that is SN equal to 4 into in bracket 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus 0.111 plus so on up to n terms. Okay, here also by multiplying and dividing by 9, then we can write here SN is equal to 4 by 9 into, by multiplying 9, 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 plus 0.9999 plus so on up to n terms. Okay, now SN is equal to 4 upon 9, and here this 0.9 means can be written as in the form 10 minus 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1 means 0.9. 1 minus 0.1 is equal to again 0.9. Okay, plus again here also 1 minus 0.01 means 0.99 plus 1 minus 0.001 means 0.999 plus so on up to n terms. Okay, that is we can write again here SN equal to 4 upon 9 into in square bracket. Now we can take positive terms together, that is plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 in first bracket. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times up to n times, open bracket complete, minus 0.1, taking minus sign common we can write here 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus so on up to n terms. Okay, now here in first bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, therefore we can write here 1 into n, then SN equal to 4 upon 9 as it is into in square bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 means n minus, keep this bracket as it is, that is 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus 0.0001 plus so on. Okay, now here the terms in this bracket, second bracket, form a geometric progression whose first term is 0.1 and common ratio r is equal to also 0.1. Therefore we can use formula for SN here. Okay, since the terms, write reason here, the terms in second bracket, in this second bracket form a geometric progression whose first term is equal to a equal to 0.1 and common ratio r is equal to also 0.01 upon 0.1 means 0.1. Therefore we can use formula for SN here. Therefore we use this formula SN equal to a into 1 minus r is to n upon 1 minus r. because value of r is less than 1 by 10. Using this formula for this bracket, we can write further SN is equal to 4 upon 9 into in square bracket n minus value of a is 0.1 into in bracket 1 minus 0.1 value of r also 0.1 raised to n upon here 1 minus r means 0.1. Okay, that is SN equal to 4 by 9. SN is equal to 4 by 9 into in bracket n minus here 0.1 into in bracket 1 minus 0.1 means 1 by 10 in fraction form, 1 by 10 raised to n upon subtraction of these two terms. 1 minus 0.1 means 0.9. That is SN equal to 4 by 9 into in bracket n minus 0.1 upon 0.9. Point is cancelled out, remains only 1 upon 9. Therefore 1 minus here 1 upon 10 raised to n upon 9. That is we get SN is equal to 4 by 9 into n minus in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n upon 9. Now taking this addition in bracket, we can write the answer for this SN here. SN is equal to 4 by 9 into in bracket 9 into n, 9n minus in bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n upon 9. Now finally we get this 9 into 981, that is SN is equal to 4 upon 81 into in bracket 9n minus in open bracket 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n. This is the sum of the given terms, sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression. Okay, now we see next example here. Now next example is find the sum to n terms of the sequence. Example, find the sum to n terms of the sequence. Sum to n terms of the sequence sequence is 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, so on. Okay. Now in this example we have to given the terms of the sequence. We have to given terms of the sequence. We have to not given the sum of the terms of the first n terms. Therefore we can write answer for this as consider given sequence. Consider given sequence which is 0.5, 0.05, 0.005 and further so on. Next term is 0.0005. Okay. Now in this sequence we have to given first term. First term of the sequence is 0.5 here. First term of geometric progression is equal to A is equal to 0.5 and we have to find common ratio, and common ratio is equal to R, common ratio of a GP equal to R is equal to, formula is Tn plus 1 upon Tn. Now consider here Tn plus 1 means 0.05 and Tn means 0.5. Therefore, we can write here R is equal to 0.05 upon 0.5. That is, we get R, common ratio R is equal to 0.1. 0.1, that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now this value of R is less than 1. R is equal to 1 by 10 is less than 1. Then we can use formula for SN. We know that sum of the first n terms of a GP is equal to Sn, and we know that Sn is equal to A into, in bracket, 1 minus R raised to n upon 1 minus R. We use this formula here. Now put values of A and R here. A is equal to 0.5 and R is equal to 1 upon 10 or 0.1. Therefore, Sn is equal to A means 0.5 into, in bracket, 1 minus R 0.1 bracket raised to n upon 1 minus 0.1. Okay, that is Sn is equal to 0.5 as it is into, in bracket, 1 minus 0.1 means 1 by 10 bracket raised to n upon 1 minus 0.1 means 0.9. Subtraction of 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. That is, we can write here Sn is equal to 0.5 upon 0.9 means 5 by 9. Point cancel out, remains only 5 by 9 into, in bracket, 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n. 10 raised to n. This is the sum of the first n terms of the given sequence: 0.5, 0.05 and 0.005 and so on. Okay. Now we see next example here. Now next example is find summation R goes from 1 to n. R goes from 1 to 10 here. R goes from 1 to 10. That is sum of the first 10 terms, in bracket, 3 into 2 raised to R. Answer for this. Now here summation means again sum of the first 10 terms. Now consider this as summation R goes from 1 to 10, 3 into 2 raised to R is equal to. Now this 3 is a constant term. We can take outside the summation here. Therefore we can write 3 into summation of 2 raised to R. R goes from 1 to 10. Okay. Now this sum can be written as in the form, in bracket, we can put values of R here. R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. Then we can write here 2 raised to first 1, 2 raised to 1 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 4 plus so on 2 raised to 10 last term is. This is the sum of the first 10 terms: 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and so on 2 raised to 10. Now the terms in bracket 2, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 10 form a geometric progression, or which is a GP, whose first term is 2 and common ratio is 2 raised to 2 means 4 upon 2, again 2. We get common ratio also 2. Therefore, we can write here a reason, since the terms in bracket form a geometric progression whose first term is equal to A is equal to 2 and common ratio R is equal to, we use formula here Tn plus 1 upon Tn. Now we can consider these two terms. This is a Tn plus 1 and this is Tn 2 raised to 2 means 4 upon 2 raised to 1 means 2, which is equal to 2. That is, we get value of R is equal to 2, which is common ratio, and this is greater than 1. Okay, therefore we can use formula for SN here for this bracket. SN is equal to, we write here formula SN is equal to, R is greater than 1, therefore we use formula here A into, in bracket, R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Okay, using this formula for this bracket, we can write here summation R goes from 1 to 10, 3 into 2 raised to R is equal to this term 3 as it is, into, in bracket, by using this formula we can write value of this A is equal to 2 into R raised to n, that is 2 raised to, here n is equal to also 10, sum of the first 10 terms, 10 minus 1 upon R minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. Write down here reason, since n is equal to also 10. Okay, now simplifying this, we can write here 3 into, in bracket, 2 into 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 means 1024, 1024 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, that is summation R goes from 1 to 10, 3 into 2 raised to R is equal to 3 into, in bracket, 2 into, subtraction of these two terms is 1023, that is summation of 3 into 2 raised to R goes from 1 to 10 is equal to 6 into 3 into 2 6 into 1023. Now taking this product, we can write value of this sum 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18, 8 carry on 1, 6 2s are 12, plus 1 13, 3 carry on 1, 6 into 0 0 plus 1 1, and 6 1s are 6. That is, we get here finally summation R goes from 1 to 10, 3 into 2 raised to R is equal to 6138. Okay, this is the value for given summation. Okay, we stop here. Okay, thank you.